Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new M3 iMac in the gorgeous purple color. I know, we all thought I was gonna get pink, but I wanted to switch it up and do something different. So I'm really excited to unbox the purple iMac and do a little review for you guys and show you some of my favorite features. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The iMac comes in 7 different colors. I opted for this beautiful purple finish, but there are colors to match everyone's taste. Right away, straight from the box, I'm so impressed with this gorgeous color. We have the magic mouse and trackpad. As you can see, there's a nice purple lining. And of course, the magic keyboard with Touch ID. I also noticed it's the exact same shade of purple as the iPad mini, which I think is gonna be really cute. I think I'm gonna switch over to having this iPad mini on my desk as well, just because it matches so nicely. And then we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max in deep purple, which kind of matches the back of the iMac as well. I also want to show you guys how thin the iMac really is, literally as big as my nail. And this is the iPad mini compared to it. Wow, super thin, 11.5 millimeters. The M3 iMac is perfect for everybody, whether you're a family and you need a home computer, if you're a student, or if you're a creative like myself and are editing all the time, this machine is definitely the go-to. The iMac also has a 1080p camera, which looks fantastic, and the mic quality is so good. I don't think you will need an external mic when using this device because everything sounds so crisp and clean. I also love that with Mac OS Sonoma, you can do gestures such as hearts and thumbs up. This makes video calls so much more fun and interactive. I brought the iMac into the kitchen. I'm gonna be using it to look up some recipes, have music playing and shows on while I cook. This is the perfect family computer. It has a 6-speaker sound system, which is amazing. If you currently have the M1 iMac and feel like you're pushing it to its limits, I would definitely recommend checking out the new M3. It is 2 times as fast as the M1, and Safari is even 30% faster. Everyone in your household will love the iMac. Whether you are doing video calls for work or doing hardcore editing on Final Cut Pro, or you just want to play some games on Apple Arcade, the iMac is perfect for you. Speaking of Apple Arcade, let's go test out my new favorite obsession, Disney Dreamlight Valley. If you guys know me, you know I've been obsessed with Disney Dreamlight Valley on my Switch for about a year now, and I'm so excited that it's coming to Apple Arcade. There's 50% faster frame rates and way more lifelike reflections and lighting. So let's get into it. I'm so happy this game finally came to Apple Arcade. I know what I'll be doing in between editing this video. Definitely playing Disney Dreamlight Valley. It went viral on TikTok for a reason. This game is so much fun. If you're into farming sims or cozy gaming, you should definitely check it out. I'm already super impressed with the new iMac and I cannot wait to edit this video on it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I have so many more videos for you guys. I'm gonna customize this new iMac in a gorgeous purple aesthetic. So make sure to subscribe to stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon.